Tom from the iScrap app. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, and before I give you an update on the scrap metal prices, the iScrap app team and myself would just like to send our deepest condolences, thoughts, and prayers to all the families and friends that were attacked in a bombing on Monday up in Boston. We're thinking of you, we're praying for you, hoping that everything turns out as best as it possibly can. Now to switch back to scrap. In the last week or so since we've spoken, copper has taken a big hit, dropping anywhere from 20 to 30 cents a pound. Do not be surprised when you go to your scrap yards. Following suit, aluminum, non-magnetic stainless steel, lead, and other non-ferrous metals have also taken a 3 to 8% drop. So don't be surprised when you see the prices lower at your yards. Steel is going to be dropping anywhere from $15 to $20 a ton, probably starting a few days ago, continuing through the end of this month. With some concerns going on in China, along with some little economic worries in the US and Europe still, be a little leery of the scrap metal prices. While they're still historically very strong, I'm not expecting them to go up anytime soon. I don't intend to tell anyone to hoard their metals, nor do I think that you should too. Again, our thoughts and prayers are up in Boston. We're looking forward to talking to you next week. This is Tom from the iScrap app. Scrap you later.